Hey, car enthusiasts! Guess what's making a grand return to the roads? The BMW 6 Series is back, and it's set to take the automotive world by storm. Stay tuned to find out everything you need to know about this exciting comeback. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and share it with your fellow BMW fans. Your support helps us bring you the latest and greatest in the automotive world. The BMW 6 Series, which served as BMW's range-topping Grand Tour from 1976 to 2019, is reportedly making a comeback after a 7-year hiatus. This new iteration will be replacing both the 8 Series and the internal-combustion-powered 4 Series models. Here's what we know so far about the all-new 2025 BMW 6 Series. According to Automotive News, the 6 Series marque is set to return to the BMW lineup in 2025. It is expected to assume the place of the 8 Series, which is set to be discontinued due to poor sales. Additionally, gas-powered versions of the 4 Series are also expected to be phased out by 2028. This makes the next-gen 6 Series a key model in filling the gap left by these departing vehicles. While the 6 Series has continued in Gran Turismo form in international markets, it has been absent from the US since the 2019 model year. The new 6 Series will reportedly be built on BMW's cluster architecture platform, capable of supporting gas-only, hybrid, and electric powertrains. It's highly likely that all 2025 6 Series engine options will include some form of electrification, and we're anticipating a version of BMW's renowned 3.0L straight-six engine. Both a coupe and a convertible model are expected to be part of the lineup, with a strong possibility of a 4-door Grand Coupe model joining as well. In terms of pricing, we expect the 2025 6 Series to be positioned between the current 4 and 8 Series models, given the $40,000 price gap between these two. The last iteration of the 6 Series started at around $71,895 in 2019, which is approximately $88,000 when adjusted for inflation. We'll have a clearer picture of its pricing once more details are confirmed. Production of the next-gen 6 Series is set to begin in July 2025. While it may debut as a 2026 model, we're tentatively referring to it as a 2025 model for now. There you have it, folks. The BMW 6 Series is poised to make a grand return, and it's shaping up to be a game-changer. What do you think about the 6 Series comeback? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more updates on this and other exciting car news. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.